Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. RCS Weather Channel. Due to heavy snowfall in Turkey, warehouse roof collapsed under the weight of snow in Beirut. Due to heavy snowfall, these freezing conditions in the road of Konya Afyon Road in Turkey, vehicles are completely freezing in this snow on the date of 24th 11th 2024. Heavy snowfall is recorded in Turkey in this month of November 2024. Due to this heavy snow, all the roads are covered with the snow. This is very impossible to drive any vehicle in these type of extreme conditions. Also is there. This is very dangerous situation. This can be happened in 2024 in Turkey, Beirut area. This one from Russia. Here is also same conditions. Look at that, vehicles cannot control the like these type of conditions. It's drive very careful. Last one from China. A massive snowfall is happened in East China. Look at that, all the vehicles under snow. Where the road, we cannot identify like these type of snowfall conditions.
Kan det tröst i mig det. Oh.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.
要变成孩子，那就学这个问题，所以比那个有点怪呀。声音太远了，那人记得吗？ 就是
抬头啊，
背着这个。
车都闪这儿了啊。